We're back with another episode of Oh My Fucking God. My fucking God. Okay, well, we're taking this seat out. So we're back. Yeah. Hopefully you guys can hear me a little bit. But let's see the finished product. We got a lot of filler here, alright? Just don't question it, just acknowledge it. Alrighty. What we got here? Not too shabby. Not too shabby. And the other side's pretty shit too, you know. The other side's really shit. But hey, it's on there like this one. I just realized I missed right there. Damn. No one's gonna round out there. Alright. Give it a little spray. And pray. Go underneath. Hey, dude. Baby. Yeah. Doing stuff now. Not myself, but guess what? I'm always working. Look. They good, guys? They good to me. This will be my gauge. Just a piece of metal here right here. To be honest, be my gauge for all the rusty stuff, you know? The righty stuff. When that goes, I know that something else will go. So, that's my little gauge. That means everything looks straight, pretty good. Yeah. I'm gonna gunk this stuff on, to be honest. Just to whoop. I guess I don't really care about the brake line. I just want to make it thick so it runs down every crack and crevice, you know? Now that's looking like it's covered. day. Another spray. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go see the other side. This is it. Bro left this little joint already. Fire. Yeah, hell yeah. I should take his letter. We already did some cuts. We already did some damn cuts here, so I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do here. I have a little bit of sheet metal, so I think I mean, I guess I could patch them up, to be honest, but this is fucked. This is the only corner that I have. That one's gone. So I'm thinking, honestly, since this is just a support for the front, it has no structural integrity other than the little flaps right here, and that one's already loose, so I think I'm gonna just throw a 2x4, you know, measure that up, throw me one under there. You see I cut it open already. Throw one under there and zip it up to this little bar here and that bar there, and should be good to go. It's just a support, so yeah, this bed's fucked. I'm gonna throw either, maybe, I think like just some like baby little straps, you know, just to strap everything up. Like, oh yeah, I forgot about that too. This needs to be supported, so I'm fucked on that too. This bed's probably should not be saved, to be honest, but hey, it's the only bed I have. I do have a bed liner though, so that works. Alright, but I still don't know what the fuck to do with this, man. This thing's pretty gone. I can zip up another 2x4 there. I guess I could drill holes through it just to know where it's gonna be. Pieces of wood is gonna save my life right now, man. Worst case scenario, I have to spend $6 on some wood. Ah, we can't do that. We can't do that. We're back with another episode of, oh my fucking god. My fucking god. Okay. Well, we're taking this seat out. So. Perfect. Alright. No, I got my gun here. I want to see if it actually works. I don't think I have enough clearance. Oh, shit. I had enough clearance. Go to the back. McDonald's French fries I can press down. Green light to impact. I don't think it's moving. Cobalt's not the best, okay? Get the job done, but it don't get it all the way. I'm using a little battery too, so. I think we can get it now. Got it. God damn. This one gonna be a bitch. Should have got the breaker bar. Let's try the front. Assuming we can get to the front pretty easily. Wherever this, oh. You guys didn't see that. Hey, look, some edibles. Coming out like butter. Oh yeah. Like butter sauce, but not that. Makes sense. Makes sense. Girl, looks goosey here. That bag won't be in starboard. Starboard. Prepare. Oh, that's gonna go. This seat's coming out. I gotta take the seatbelt. That didn't last very long. Hopefully the gun can do it from here. And she prevailed. Full beans, dog. That's good, right? That's just, oh, that's that free starter. Oh, there's still some in there. Yeah. Alright, cool. Now, we have to pull this carpet up and see the damage. So what we're gonna do here is that was hell, wasn't it, guys? Alright, big reveal. Oh, this is gonna need a big, good vacuum when I'm done with this. See? Got some good metal here still, so that's good at least. Let's pull this and see the damage. Beauty. So we got a frame to connect to. Looks like a gas line here, so we gotta be real careful with the welds. or I think actually need that right. Not sure which one's which, but yeah, it's not too bad here. This is where it really is bad here, huh? And it looks like this metal might be still good here, so I can probably add on to some retrospect maybe. And I have a little bit of sheet metal I can tend to maybe after this.